Hi everyone, I'm Bonnie Krebs from Art Impressions here at Scrapbook.com to show you our newest releases. So this is a brand new line. These are called twisters and they really do twist. So basically what this is a front and back, and you spin it just like this. So they notch into the window, and let me just take this one out so you can see. They notch into the window, the die cuts out the front and back, and they're glued together. We're gonna actually make one of these. And then they notch into the window, and then they spin. So you can see from the back of the character, and you can see from the front. So they fold flat when you go to put them into your envelope. And then, of course, when you open that envelope and look at that card, you've got this cute little character, and he's actually spinning. So there are 8 in this line. These are all brand new. So this is a new concept for us, and these are all brand new. So there are 8 of these. We've got our little cat. So what's in the set? Let me show you what's in the set. So you've got the stamp. You've got a front and back of the stamp, and you also have the dies. So the dies cut out the character, the front and back, and you can see on here, this little cat, you can see the notch. So the notch is cut out with the character. So you follow the lines of the character, the notch is automatically cut with the die. And then to cut out the window, there's a separate die for the window, and that's because they all use the same one. So there's no need to have a window die in each set. You just need one window die, and then that cuts the opening out, and it works for all of these different sets. So everything is included in these 2 sets. And also, I should say that there's also a sentiment. So a sentiment comes with each one of these. So you always kind of have something to say, but you can mix it up too. So, obviously use whatever sentiments you want, change out the holidays just with the paper. And you can use these for lots and lots of different occasions. So I've kind of showed you the little cat. This one is called Feline Groovy. So that comes with it in this set. So it's the cat front and back, Feline Groovy. This one is the little dog. Hope your day is golden. He's got a little cupcake in his hands. And by the way, you could use these together. So maybe you want to do a big card and put a couple of these together. That would be super fun. This one is the llama. I really love this. I think I love this mostly because of the sentiment. It says, "Happy birthday, you fabulous creature." And of course, she's as fabulous from the front as she is the back. Absolutely fabulous. And she spins as well. So super easy. They don't spin all the way around, but they look like they do. So they're and also what I love about them is that they're super easy. So you can make this really quickly. Cut out that front and back, glue it together, cut the window out, and notch it in. That's about as easy as it is. This one says, "Hello, Tweety." How cute is this? Isn't this fun? This would also be cute on a cake topper, wouldn't it? You could cut this out and make it narrow. Put it on a little post or a stick it into a cake or a cupcake, maybe create a banner with them. Lots and lots of ways that you can use these little interactive, fun, movable little designs. This is a Valentine, but you could also use it for any type of love. It says, "Be my Valentine" on it. It's a little mouse, front and back. Isn't he cute? He notches in the same way. This one says, "Happy Easter." And you could paper piece this one in with a little egg. Super cute. See, here he is on the back side. And I love these too. So maybe something a little more serious. This little flower one, "Thinking of You," isn't that cute? And you can see obviously the front and the back. So they all work the same way. That same window is going to cut out all of these. It's going to work with all of these. Here's a little cake, "Best wishes to you." So this would also be fun on a cake topper. You could just cut this one out, stick that in there, and you've got a little movable cake on here, even for a wedding. Take the little candles off, and you've got a cake for another occasion. So I love these little guys. I love that you're getting something a little extra when you open that envelope, and I also love that you can make these really, really quick and easy. That might be my favorite part. You can make it quick and easy, and they're small and easy to color. So let's make one, and I'll show you how they work. Okay, so let's put together one of these little twisters. They're so easy to do, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So let's get the base card ready here. So I've cut out 2 decorative pieces to put on my base card. And I'm just going to glue this onto the front. And of course you can use any because you can dress this up for any holiday. Just changing out the paper makes such a difference. And then this one, I'm going to put on the inside of the card. So I'm just going to take this window die now and just cut a hole into my base card so that I can attach my little cat twister. Okay, so now I've cut out my window and you can see the back to the inside of the card here, and I'm all ready to add my little cat to here. So I've cut out and colored my little cat, stamped it, cut it out, colored it, and now I'm just going to glue these two together. So I'm just using a tape runner. And I find that the easiest way to glue these together is to start at the bottom and just line up those two little tabs, and these are going to just fit perfectly together. So I've glued this together now, the front and back. You can see my little cat, they line up perfectly. So now I can just notch this in. Notch this right into my little window opening, just like that, works perfectly. And add my sentiment, just like this. Add a little more tape and attach it to my card. And I've got this cute little twister ready to send to someone to make their day, something a little more interactive and fun. I think you're going to really love these. They're super fun and they're really easy to make, and you're going to make someone's day. And of course, they're available right now at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.